How to make website text larger on Android. If you're unable to read the text on web pages, you might need to zoom in. Unfortunately, not every website allows it. Thankfully, you can force your web browser to zoom in on certain websites if you need to. Both Chrome and Firefox on Android allow you to force zoom in thanks to built-in accessibility features included in both browsers. You can also use Android's built-in accessibility features to increase the overall text size or to magnify your screen instead. Google Chrome is the default browser on most Android devices. To enable force zooming in Chrome, open the app on your Android device, and then tap the vertical ellipsis menu icon in the top right. Tap the Force Enable Zoom checkbox to enable it. You can also modify the text scaling slider to increase the general size of the text on any web pages if you'd prefer. With Force Enable Zoom enabled, Chrome will now allow you to zoom in on any website, including any website that restricts zooming. To zoom in, use your fingers to pinch inwards on the screen. Firefox is a popular alternative browser on Android and, like Google Chrome, it also allows you to bypass zooming restrictions to let you zoom in on any web page. Start by opening the Firefox app on your Android device and then tapping the vertical ellipsis menu icon in the top right. Once you've enabled the feature, you can test force zooming on any website that blocks it. With Always Enable Zoom turned on, Firefox will always ignore the request to prevent zooming. Android has other accessibility options for users you can use to make it easier to read small text on websites. Screen zooming allows you to increase the size of any text displayed on your Android device. You can also use screen magnification to zoom in quickly on any app on your screen. Because of the Android fragmentation issue, these steps might vary, depending on your device manufacturer and Android version. These steps were tested on a Samsung device running Android 9 Pie. Start by accessing your device settings from your app drawer or by swiping down to access the notification shade and tapping the gear icon in the top right. You'll need to enable a visibility feature within the Accessibility menu to increase the screen text size. Your Accessibility menu might look different, depending on your device and Android version. Samsung device owners should tap Visibility Enhancements instead. Other Android device owners should tap the Display Size menu. Using your finger, move the slider at the bottom of the screen to the right to increase the size of your text. This will increase the text size on your device, including the text displayed on websites in your chosen web browser, making it easier to read. You can also enable screen magnification as an alternative to the screen zooming method. This allows you to tap a button or triple tap the screen to magnify any app you're using, including your chosen web browser. In the Accessibility menu, Samsung owners should tap the Visibility Enhancements option. Other Android device owners should tap Magnification instead. In the Samsung Visibility Enhancements menu, tap Magnification. Owners with other Android devices can skip this stage. Choose either Tap button to magnify on Samsung devices or Magnify with shortcut on other Android devices. Enable either the triple tap magnification or magnification shortcut methods by tapping the toggle to On in the respective menus. Once screen magnification is enabled, switch to your Android web browser. Either tap the accessibility icon in your bottom navigation bar or triple tap your screen, depending on the method you've enabled. You can then use your finger to move around the zoomed-in screen. Triple tap your screen or press the accessibility button again to return it to normal. Text source: howtogeek.com